If you're watching this Ethereum update and various other crypto videos, then I've got some news for you. It's likely that you're going to be well and truly in a great position come the next bull run because you're making the most of the opportunities that are happening now. Everyone else is not paying attention because crypto is extremely boring right now. But I promise you, if you put your eggs in the right baskets right now, then you're going to have a fantastic time come later in this year and into next year. And that's because right now the US dollar index is doing something particularly fascinating. Ethereum has been stuck in this range between the $1,400 and around the $1,250 since the 19th of September. And right now we're starting to take yet another little rally, finding again support here, showing that we could well have the bottom in for Ethereum. Right now, I see a push coming to at least the $1,349 level. And that is all playing out because of something I'm looking at over on the US dollar index. And if you're that person who's like, why is he looking at the US dollar index? I'm just going to skip ahead to look at Ethereum. Well, don't, because that would be very silly. Because exactly what's been happening in crypto is happening the opposite in the US dollar index. As the US dollar index has been going up, crypto has been going down. So when we expect the US dollar index to fall off the top of where it's been, we're going to see crypto booming into a new bull market. We had a breakout back on the 22nd of September to the upside of a rising wedge. And I know what you're thinking. You've been telling me over and over again that a rising wedge is a bearish pattern, and it is. So when we break out towards the top of it, it shows that we are hugely overextended. Lo and behold, we've come back down to retest this upper level. And what we could potentially see, this is on a 4-hour chart, if we actually breach below this red line, then we could potentially trickle down here. And if we do something like this, guys, then we are well and truly into a crypto bull market. And if we jump across to Bloomberg and we look at what's going on in crypto right now, Bitcoin has hunkered down for storms ahead as retailers stays away. Guys, this sort of news that's really negative news is painting a picture of the bottom of the market right now. And when people are writing in my comments saying that I'm an idiot and Ethereum is going to go to like $500 and Bitcoin is going to go to like 10, this is when I'm looking to buy because everyone is always wrong, or the masses are always wrong. The news is basically there to make you do things in order for other people to get liquidity, in order to be able to buy cheap and sell expensive later on in the day. But right now we're looking at crypto. But right now, in my opinion, crypto is pretty much at the bottom of the market. If we jump back to Ethereum and we look at what could potentially unfold in the next few days. Well then guys, so basically what I'm looking at right now on Ethereum is, yes, we did have this low previously over around July time, and we have struggled to get back down into that zone. Now, personally, I would love it if we did get back into that zone because it would give me a hell of a buying opportunity. But right now, I think we're going to have some sort of bounce like this, and it's going to give us a bit of a sucker rally into here, possibly dropping down again towards this level, breaking and beyond. In terms of day trading opportunities, what we're seeing right now, obviously guys, we've got our nice accumulation zone down here, fairly evident to see. We've got these nice wicks coming down below. Now, other things we can look at, yes, we've taken a bit of a bounce. Personally, I would be waiting for another bounce in towards this zone, and then I'll be looking for a long position in here, because then I've got an opportunity to put my stop loss under there, and I'm pretty much going to get a 3-to-1 to the top of this pattern again. So what I'm looking for right now is a break back down to around $1,280, some sort of a wick to show that we are getting buying pressure coming in, either that or an engulfing candlestick pattern. If you want to make the most of moves like this, then I've got a trading group over on Telegram, which is linked down below in the description, guys. Go ahead and join that. Absolutely free. You can link up with others. We can look at trading setups and things in there as well. I've also partnered up with BitGet to get you a $4,000 bonus for signing up. If you join through the link down below in the description, head across there. Absolute no-brainer, guys. $4,000. You can try out trading through that link. But obviously, experienced traders only. Trading is risky. Do not risk any more money than you can afford to lose. In the short term, then, Ethereum will be dropping and back down to around $1,280. And then, personally, I believe we'll be pushing back towards $1,400 for a retest at this level. What happens there, we will wait and see. Obviously, guys, everything I've said is my own personal opinion. Go away and do your own research. You've no one else to blame but yourself if you invest and lose money. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up. Everything else, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.